Welcome back traders to another episode of our Nifty analysis show. Today's market opened with a lot of excitement as the global cues were strongly positive. US markets closed over 1% higher, Asian markets followed with 1.5% gains, and our Nifty also opened with a very positive sentiment around 25,700 levels. Let's break down how Nifty moved today, how it respected our support and resistance zones, and what we can expect for tomorrow. Pre-market setup recap. Before the market opened, our prediction clearly mentioned a very positive market outlook. Nifty's structure was bullish, with resistance zones starting from R1:25 768 all the way up to R6 ratio 26,058, and strong supports between S1:25 652 down to S6:25 214. The sentiment was clear. As long as Nifty stayed above 25,650, bulls were in full control. And that's exactly how the day began, a gap up opening, strong momentum, and a steady climb in the first half. Market movement analysis. In the morning session, Nifty broke above the yellow baseline and crossed R1 at 25,768 with strong buying. This breakout confirmed that bulls were ready to take charge. However, as the index approached R2 at 25,826, some profit booking came in. That's a classic intraday reaction near a key resistance. After consolidating between R1 and R2, Nifty again attempted to push higher post 1 p.m., testing the R3 level at 25,884. But the momentum slightly faded as European markets opened negative. Remember, Europe was minus 0.95% today, which created mild pressure in the second half. Still, the buyers defended 25,700 beautifully, turning it into an intraday support zone. That shows the strength of this uptrend. Technical insights. Technically speaking, Nifty is trading well above all key moving averages, and today's structure continues to show higher highs and higher lows. As long as Nifty holds above 25,650, the trend remains strongly bullish. The next resistance to watch out for is R4 at 25,942, followed by R5 at 26,000, a major psychological mark. If momentum continues tomorrow, we could see Nifty testing R6 around 26,058 in the upcoming sessions. On the downside, S1 at 25,652 and S2 at 25,552 will act as strong buying zones for any intraday dip. Coming to global market impact, now, let's talk about global cues. The Asian markets were both highly positive, indicating strong risk appetite among global investors. USD INR remained flat positive, which supports fee inflows, and crude moved slightly negative. That's a bonus for India's inflation outlook. The only weak link was Europe, down 0.95%, which might have limited Nifty's afternoon rally. But overall, the global structure continues to favor equity markets, especially emerging ones like India. Coming to post-market takeaways. So, what did we learn from today's market? Checkmark bulls remain in full control above 25,650. Checkmark R1 and R2 acted as perfect breakout and retest zones. Checkmark every small dip is being bought, a classic sign of strength. Checkmark if global sentiment stays supportive, we might be heading towards the 26,000 mark soon. Short-term traders can look for buying opportunities near supports, and positional traders can trail their stop loss below 25,600. To sum up, today's Nifty move was a textbook example of how strong global cues and technical levels align perfectly. If you've been following our SR levels and morning predictions, this was yet another successful day for our analysis. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily Nifty updates and pre-market predictions.